here we are. We're doing a different kind of video right now.
Yeah.
We decided that we are going to cook up some weird exotic stuff.
He went nuts and just
I bought some shit, some weird shit.
He thinks he's rich or something with
yeah.
caviar and all these.
And with caviar. True story. Yeah, we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna film him cooking some of it, and we're gonna try it and see what we.
So try it as in alligator.
Try not to barf.
Yeah.
We're gonna do alligator, caviar, and barnacles, which they say it's a delicacy in Spain. So let's get to it. So here's what we got. I got one of the cheapest caviars you can get, but it's still $40 for 12 ounces, which that makes it
that's so crazy.
a lot. I know. So then what else? The alligator here is $30 a pound. I did buy 3 pounds of it. I'm going to try some on Monday with my son, but for now we're going to cook this 1 pound in that pan. And then I bought barnacles in brine, shipped over from like Portugal or something like that. So yeah, that was $30.
Look at this intricate, like,
I know.
It's
How
like
many ounces is that? 4 ounces.
4.
So what would that make
120.
it? 190.
Or 90. Oh my god.
That'd be $90 a pound for that. So, all right, we're gonna cut open the alligator and drain it. Boom, here we are. So what we did is we drained it, and we got some alligator steak there with no seasoning, alligator steak there with Kinder seasoning, which is probably the best of all the seasonings. It's basically salt, pepper, and garlic. So we're gonna put them both on, and then see what happens.
Boom, ba-doom, boom.
Ooh. And then
Grab this.
keep them separate.
Yeah, look at it. Soaks up the oil immediately. Look at that.
Oh, that's gonna fry real quick.
Yeah. I mean, it's already pre-cut, so which is kind of nice. I don't have to sit here and
And then after we cook this and try it with seasoning and without, we're actually going to cook up the rest of this for a supper with green beans, rice, and whatever else.
Does it feel weird to you that we're about to eat an actual like reptile?
Kinda.
I've never had snake. I've never had like whatever other typical.
I had rattlesnake when I was like 17 once.
Well, it was pretty much chicken, right?
It tastes like chicken, yeah.
That's cool.
If you look, that is cooking real quick.
Yeah, I mean it's crazy. Look at how it sucked up all the oil.
Yeah.
There's like no oil there anymore.
Crazy. All right, we'll get back to you when it's done.
Yeah.
Would you look at that? It's cooking. It's cooking good.
Looks like chicken.
It does look very much like chicken.
It behaves like chicken.
Yep. But yeah, we took the smallest piece off already. We're gonna see how it goes. Catch up to you shortly again. Boom! The fruits of our labor. Look at that. We got the non-seasoned, the seasoned. All right, B. Take a fucking.
Oh, I gotta go first.
Yeah, you gotta go first.
Oh,
I'm recording.
All right, which one should I do first? Non-seasoned, right?
Non-seasoned.
That's this side.
Yep, correct.
Let's do this little guy. Ready?
Yep.
It seemed kind of rubbery, or not rubbery, but like it would. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Okay.
Eat it. Just do it. Is it terrible? I mean, true, honest reaction. Here, I'm gonna eat the other little bit.
No. Wait. You know what?
I'm eating this one. Same time.
All right.
Let's see.
That's actually pretty good. I mean, I don't.
It's like chicken steak.
Kinda. It's weird. I'm not. It's the idea that this thing is an alligator that's fucking with my head. But
Try a seasoned one.
okay.
That wasn't bad.
No.
I'm not gonna lie. I actually like that. All right.
All right. Well, I mean, it's just gonna be a little bit better because it's got.
Yeah, you got Kinder seasoning on it. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab this guy right here.
So now we're talking a little more. It dries up really quick.
It dries. It's juicy. I feel it's juicy.
But it's rubbery.
Oh, it's a hair rubbery.
It's not rubbery. It's very chewy.
Yeah.
I don't know that's. I would do that again. I'm not sure that I would.
I'm gonna try one more piece. I'm gonna try this big piece of non-seasoned. Yeah, that's weirdly chewy.
I don't know that I like the texture.
We're trying to figure out ways to cook it.
Well, and we thought about air frying it, but I think that'll just dry it out even more.
Oh, you're right.
And I think that because we looked up how to cook it, and it was like, be very careful with overdoing it because there's no fat in this.
I think we might have overdone it on this a little bit.
Yeah, but it was like we cut it open. We like had what? I throw it back in the pan for like a split second to.
I figured that one like 10 more seconds.
Yeah, like literally that's what it was. But I mean, I don't know that you can get any kind of better than that. They didn't burn or anything. It's not like they're not like it's not.
Here, take one more bite
brown.
and just tell me what you think.
I don't know that I like it.
Okay.
Like honestly, I think chicken is better. Personally,
I kind of think so too so far.
And then I also think that if this is between pork, this is very porkish.
For $30 a pound, I'm not a fan. I'm not happy with how this goes.
All right, let's try this. Okay. Oh, that's really this bigger piece is. Oh my god.
Super chewy.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Well, we probably didn't do justice for cooking it.
I think we cooked it just fine.
Okay.
It was a low heat.
I'm gonna try the other this guy here one more time.
Yeah, I can't even. Oh.
Mmm. It's really chewy.
I don't want to finish this even.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm so sorry, dude.
Well, it's all good. It's not your fault.
I'm like I don't want to swallow it. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm like done.
Okay. Well, it's really.
That's weird. I can't do it. Sorry.
It's all good.
I know you.
Well, we tried. Oh, whatever. $30 a pound.
You want me to cook up the rest for you?
Well, I don't know. I don't really like it. What would you rate this per pound? I'm gonna say $3, less than ground beef.
Yeah, because it's
$3 a pound.
The only reason why it's expensive is because alligators are pretty.
Because it's not common to. You have to get permits to get it.
All that stuff. So it's like it's a big chore to get it.
Fail on the alligator. We're gonna try the next thing.
Okay.
Boom! Here we are. We're gonna try black lump fish roe. It's caviar. So, all right, popper. Pop the top.
It says it's caviar. It looks like. Oh, that was barely anything.
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh!
Hold on, look.
What the?
Oh my god. Okay.
Dude, no!
Okay.
I can't. Yeah, should we add more?
Yeah, add more.
Add more to this sloppy pile. This is
look at that. Hold on.
Look at those little...
Squish it around with your spoon. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, it's really gross.
And it's got this like black...
Oh, it's like... Oh, gross, dude. All right. Take a spoonful.
For what?
Let's do it. Yeah, you're going to take... It doesn't have to be a big spoonful.
Oh, God, I'm doing it. Ah!
Oh. Really? That bad, eh?
It's so salty.
Is it really?
It's so bad, dude.
Oh, no.
Oh, my God.
I wonder how I'm going to fare. Oh, God.
It's fishy as...
All right, I'm going to try it.
Hold on.
He's going to wash it down with this beer. All right.
It's so salty. Oh.
Is that bad, eh?
It's so... You'll know.
Oh, my God.
Eyes are watering. It's so gross.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right, on to me. Ready?
All right, ready.
All right, I'm trying it.
Oh, that's so much, dude. What are you doing? Oh, God. Oh, my God. You can handle that?
It's super salty.
Oh.
I don't think it's bad. It's not good.
Well, okay. You
It's
like
not good.
sardines,
It tastes like sardines.
and I don't.
And I really I'm going in for another bite.
Oh, God. Here
Watch
it is,
this
guys.
fucking guy.
He's getting his money's worth.
I actually kind of like it because I like sardines so
I
much.
hate sardines.
There we go. Oh.
Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, I retched immediately. I was done. I was out of the... And there was the time...
texture sucks, though.
The texture didn't bother me as much as the fishy, saucy... Like, I don't know why you're chewing it. It's
I'm not sure like what I'm chewing because it's like little...
It's like little granules.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Well, I don't think it's bad.
All right, what would you rate it? Will you pay...
out of 40? Oh, my God. Sardines, you get more for like $2.
They're probably... Well, right, and they're probably way more substantially...
I could see putting this on top of like... I'm dead serious, like that alligator.
Yeah.
Like I feel like that'd like make it a fucking better alligator. So I'm gonna say I'd I'd probably buy this again for $15.
$15, but guess what? Not in this world. Whoa!
I kind of like it. Like
This guy's
look at
nuts.
a giant scoop.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Oh
yeah,
my
pretty
god. Oh, you're disgusting.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, yeah, I know. That fishy, gross. Oh, it's so nasty.
I like it though.
Yeah, you
Anyway,
like sardines?
on to the next thing.
All right.
Boom, here we are. We're gonna try barnacles.
Barnacles.
These guys. But first, I wanted to look at these guys. My brother makes his own aloe vera plants in his
I do.
house.
They're heirloom plants, all from one plant that's about 15, 16 years old.
All right, let's get to Barnacle Land.
All right, Barnacle Land it is. We got to cut this off.
Wait, hold on. Rip the top off.
No, I think this is how you do it. And then you
Look at it's weird. It's like actual fabric.
Yeah, exactly. And then it's
Around
just,
a tin.
It's just in there, and then there's your...
Yeah.
So let's get that out of there. Weird.
The
Never
trouble
thought I'd
you
be
go
doing
to
it. I mean,
through.
there it is.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
All right, ready, guys? I have no idea what, I mean...
I've seen
what,
pictures of barnacles and they look fucking awful. So.
But, like, these are shelled. So they're not...
I don't think they're shelled.
Or, like, shellless.
No, I think they have shells.
Oh, even gross. Okay, ready?
Because hold on, what does it say?
Up.
It says, barnacles, water and salt, contains crustaceans.
Yeah.
All right, I'll try
So
it.
don't die on me now. Oh, that was my little...
Pop top.
Oh, my finger!
Watch now, you break the top. You can't get into it.
Yay for me, because I'm dreading this, guys. I'm not going to lie.
That's
Okay.
crazy.
Okay, let's
All right.
get it to roll back. There you go.
Oh, no.
What do you mean you like that shit?
That juice,
Here's
though?
what I'm going to do.
That makes more sense.
That's just fucking rotten.
Oh,
my God. Get
Keep
me
going,
out of
keep
here.
going.
I can't.
Pull the top
no,
off.
I'm not. Because we need to keep it in something. Do you want a Ziploc bag for this one later?
No.
Look at that. All right, I'll try to get more
Get
light
the
on
get
it.
the top off.
Oh, God.
Just go. Okay.
It's hard to
Throw that away.
Well, it's all razor sharp and shit.
Yeah, I know,
now.
I know.
Like, try to...
Oh, without
God.
splashing all over.
Oh, God, it looks
All right.
so gnarly.
Oh,
Watch your step. I dripped some on the floor.
that looks alien.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
God.
from outer space, dude. What
Oh,
the fuck are we doing?
your cat wants some.
Yeah, I'm sure he does. I'm sure he's all about that. You know who's getting, if you don't like
Oh my
these,
God. Okay.
I'm not trying that.
Okay.
There's no
Well,
fucking way.
I'm gonna drain this container and I'm gonna try it. So here we go. All right, we drained the fucking brine out of it. Listen to this. They're like little rocks.
Yeah,
dude.
it's only salt water, but of course their own nasty juices are in
Okay.
it.
Well, I'm gonna eat it close to the plate so I don't make a big mess.
So are you gonna crack?
I don't know,
do you have
man.
to crack them open and pull them out of there? Yeah, that's what you
Oh,
gotta.
what the fuck?
Yeah, it's a penis. Eat it.
It looks like a dick. Oh, what's that?
That's the tip.
I can't get it out.
Yeah, you already got the main part out, I think.
Really? No, that looks like.
This here.
I'm gonna use your knife.
Yeah, I mean, great.
I'm gonna scoop some of this out. Let's see. See, that's a bunch more. Oh no.
I'm sorry, knife.
Okay. That's
So
okay.
ditch
So
the shell. There's
empty
nothing-
shell.
Yeah, bye.
All right. I'll take the dick part. All right, here we go.
Put that in your mouth.
It smells awful.
It does. I'm gonna back up
Both,
here.
yeah.
I gotta just back up because it's just rancid.
I don't think you're supposed to eat the part in the inside. Super crunchy.
Oh, it's still got like
That's not bad.
sea cartilage or
It's actually
something.
pretty good.
Is this an aphrodisiac? You're not gonna get all frisky, are you?
With what?
I don't
Fucking
know.
video
My
game?
cats. I don't
Oh,
know.
God.
I know how much you.
I'm going for more.
Oh God, it stinks so
I
bad,
kinda
you
like
guys.
that. That's actually pretty good.
You're
Oh.
such a freak.
What? People around the world probably maybe like this.
Probably maybe like this.
Maybe you are supposed to eat the inside.
I think that's like the whole point. Try that.
Wow. Okay.
So there's no additives to it, right? There's no
Just said
salt
salt water.
water. So yeah, that's. I mean,
Hey,
that's.
look at this though. Come over here.
Oh, you just
Yeah. Fuck it.
barnacles.
Look at it though. It's weird.
Yeah.
It's super tasty though. I'm not gonna lie. I actually really enjoy
What does it taste like?
Um.
What's the closest thing?
Jeez. I don't know. No, it's like God,
Like, look at that guy. Look at
I
that big old.
know. I know what they look like, little dongs
Little-
and shit.
stink.
It was like just a bunch of shell shit. What a
It
weird.
smells like the docks. It smells like the
It does.
beach, which is fine.
I don't know. I haven't had much. I don't think I've even had oysters or mussels or anything in my
None of
life.
that? No.
So
I had some shellfish a while
Try it
back,
again.
and I was just like not about
there
that.
you go. Scoop it out.
It was disgusting.
There you go.
Yeah,
Works with the knife.
Big
All right, I'm eating the last bit, and then I'm recommend my brother try some.
No, absolutely
You
not.
should try it.
I almost fucking blew my entire dinner.
I think it's super tasty.
Dinner out of
I
my.
actually think this is really good.
It stinks so bad. How can that go in your mouth?
I don't understand how either. But
Okay, at least you're being honest. I don't know. It's just going in
It
there.
tastes like insanely different than it smells.
All right, I'll try a little bit.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
hold on. No, I'm gonna-
get me like.
I'm gonna film you.
No.
yeah.
All right, fine. Oh
Shut
God!
up.
No, I can't do this. I can't.
Yeah,
I
you
just
do.
I just touched it. I felt the texture.
It's not.
All right, 1 second. If this.
Okay, we started. He's gonna try it.
Oh God!
So rip the top off
Okay.
and then scoop the shit out.
Is this what? There's way more in there than that, though.
Mm-hmm. I actually like the innards better. That doesn't help that I call them innards.
Thanks, man. Now I'm like gonna. I'm already.
just try it.
Just touching it is so.
No, you're
gross.
good. Just throw it all in your mouth.
Yeah. How many times have you had to say that before? Just throw it all.
Well,
All right. I didn't
Shit
try
happens.
this little piece.
come on, try it, Morton. Try it all at once.
Okay.
Try it again.
That's better than the caviar was.
Yeah, try. Just grab the whole bunch.
No.
It's not bad.
No, I'm just trying little pieces. I'm not. This is.
I feel like it's meaty and stuff.
It is mediocre, right?
It's not bad. I could see why this is a delicacy. It's super, like.
It's okay. I
Try a little more.
I don't know.
Try a little more.
What? Who are you? What? You're like.
Come on.
Oh, you're the worst.
I think big bites are like make this fucking delicious, and I could tell the difference in taste between the inside stuff and the outside stuff.
It's just when I get. Okay, so that's Miller. It like the caviar. It was that burst of salt. I was like, ooh.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
That's what. And this doesn't have that. I'm expecting it, and it's not.
Yeah.
I don't like the texture at all.
Last bite.
No, I'm done. That's it. I'm done.
Oh, he's done.
I'm fucking.
Well, I'll
checking
fucking
out.
eat all that shit because it was delicious.
He's like, guys, he's ready to eat all of this tonight. And
I probably will.
He's telling me, he's like, all right, you're going to cook up the alligator. We're going to throw the caviar on top of it.
That's what I want to do.
And this will be your side.
That's going to be a supper.
That's nuts.
All right. We came. We saw. I still got chunks in my teeth.
I puked in the garbage can.
He did once. We tried alligator. Not so great.
It's just chewy.
It's super chewy.
It's. I wish it was more like chicken. I'm not a pork.
I feel like
chop
it's
guy.
It's like chicken steak or something weird.
Kind of. It's weird. Yeah. Like,
But-
well, it's been described as chicken and pork chops.
Okay.
So, and then we.
I liked the caviar quite a bit actually, and
Way too salty.
it just seems a little expensive.
just
$40
turned
for
my
that jar.
Stomach.
But and I really like barnacles.
Turns out, yeah.
I think they're amazing actually. So
You're a shellfish guy.
apparently,
It turns
I
out.
never even had like mollusk or
Yeah. Well, all of that. stuff.
any of that shit.
Yeah.
Clams.
mussels, and
Yeah,
all that
that's what I
jazz.
meant. Yeah, but we tried it and
Oh,
we're
I
just
gotta
like-
let my just because
and
just all this weirdness.
yeah, we're gonna get to video games here in a
Well,
minute.
we
so-
hope you liked the episode, guys.
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. You know what to do. Let us know if you guys have tried any of these.
Yeah,
and what your thoughts
apparently
are, or maybe what are good recipes for these.
Yeah, because I feel
So-
like we fucking fucked up on the alligator. So
Oh, we didn't even start cooking it. We just tried a couple
Yeah.
chunks. So
So
we're
yeah.
trying to figure it out.
all right.
Peace out, guys.